Well, good morning guys. It is bright and early. Birds are chirping. It's gonna be a crazy day. And I'll tell you guys why in just a second. But that sun right in my face, holy crap. The longest I've drove this car is about 4 hours. Definitely the drive I'm making today is not 4 hours, but it's an hour and a half on California roads with California traffic. So it's definitely gonna feel like 4 hours. But we are heading to Willow Springs. There is a private raceway track day happening, and I got invited to go by Daily Driven Exotics, Alex Choi, and Dave as well.
You wanna come to the Willow Springs on Thursday?
On Thursday? Yeah, I'm down.
The racetrack.
All right.
It's like a few $100 each. We're gonna rent the whole racetrack out. You can
Yeah.
do whatever you want.
Yeah, literally like whatever the fuck you want.
So that was really cool that those guys invited me. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Hopefully a lot of cool people are out there today so I can get some sick footage for you guys. It's gonna be one hell of a day, so if you guys stick along for the ride. I'm gonna keep you guys updated, but hopefully we make the trip safe and sound to Willow Springs. I just got done with Chevron, getting all my fuel, get some money out. Your boy kind of taking a little bit of an L here. I texted Alex, I texted Dave to see how much exactly it's gonna be to get in, and it's $250 to get in. And I asked them what time, and like I didn't really hear like much back, so I'm just assuming like they rent it out for the whole day. So I'm gonna get here early, have some fun. But your boy just seen that they posted it starts at 12 p.m. till 5. It's $250. Your boy's at 9 o'clock right now, so I gotta wait a little bit. That kind of freaking blows. But you know what? I'm gonna be able to beat all of the. I beat all of the traffic. I'm really happy on that. And who cares? I can just hang out for a little bit. And I'm sure they're going to show up a little bit earlier. I'm going to say hi to them, I'm sure. So I might just head over there and just relax. But at least I'm like not in like, you know, no man's land. I got Chevron. I got Panda Express over here. Like, man, I could grub out if I want. And I don't know, I'm thinking about just eating some snacks, eating some food, and then like going back inside and reloading and then, then heading out.
Eventually.
So sick, black and gold. Woo! Whoa, dude, there's some. All right, I guess we're going now, boys. I guess we going. Oh my god, my shit's so weak compared to their shit, bro. Oh my god, I'm gonna get toasted out here. I guess Damon and Alex and all those guys got pulled over trying to make it here, which is crazy because I wonder how fast those guys were going. Bro, what happened?
Damon just got an 89 on a 65.
Really?
How's it going?
I'm good, man. You didn't get pulled over or anything? Never get pulled over. Oh, then we got Damon as well. What's up, man? David actually got pulled off. I don't see if this guy's gonna air out. That'll be lit. That thing is so clean. In person, it's so wild, dude.
since we had everybody off just watching and there's no chance of any cars coming on, we were, I got you, won't happen again. I got you really good. Look at the size of this thing. Look at the size of it. It's not how big it is, it's how you use it, but actually maybe
smaller than my dick.
Whoa!
Well, I'm walking home, guys.
Yeah. What's he doing?
I'm gonna launch.
So we're just gonna do a quick track course of where we're gonna go, because there's so many different turns on this place. You can literally go either a short way, a fast way. So just for safety reasons, that's what we'll be doing. We're not gonna be going super fast, but you have to have a helmet on this course. And actually, I did not bring my helmet, so RIP to me, I guess. I might have to borrow one to either ride with somebody or just hang out, but I don't know, bro. I'm definitely the fucking weak link of this place, bro. All right, so we just got done doing a little test lap. That's actually honestly really fun, but it's kind of sketchy because I don't have really good brakes or anything.
How was it?
It was good. It definitely, like, I need definitely a different setup. You know what I mean? Like that, instead of just a show car, like big brakes, more boost, more acceleration to it. It's like I've never really taken this thing out to a track. So it's cool just to learn.
It's still fun though.
Oh yeah, it's so fun. I'll just like do it for like safety shit wise, you know what I mean? If we're rolling everybody, like they'll catch me like that. Yo, these guys are absolutely crazy out here, just burning tires, making some good content for you guys. But I think I'm gonna bounce out of here really soon. It's super hot out. It's about 4:45. I know I'm gonna hit a little bit of traffic. It's actually kind of a windy day as well, so I'm very sorry if there's any wind noise. I'm trying to work on everything, getting everything fixed. I wish my BRZ was out there more, but it's definitely not set up for that. I really wish I can go out there and enjoy it with the guys and have some fun. Maybe I'll build something or make the BRZ more trackable and have some fun doing that. But there's so many things that I want to go and do for this car. I want to turbo it. I want to get a big brake kit for it. I want to get a new MacBook. I want to get a Sony camera body and a Sony lens, and really make this channel more high quality, and editing needs to be there. I really think my biggest flaw with YouTube is being rushed. Rushed with editing, rushed with work, rushed with filming, rushed with myself. Like, that's some things I need to catch up on and kind of realize that, like, I need to calm down a little bit. But I wish you guys were very entertained today. All these guys, it was awesome meeting, Dave. Dave is a nice ass dude, talking to me all the time and teaching me a few things, and it was really cool. And Damon out here filming like crazy, Alex burning some freaking rubber, and having a good time. Oh shit, dude, Alex, one crazy dude, man.